My name is Kendra Thorpe, and my book is about prosperity, living a life of abundance, igniting your faith, fueling it for leveling up, community, family, friendships and connections, lifetime awareness of your power. It has changed my life because it took me out of my shell. It brought me into a world of where your words matter and allowing you to see and be a part of history, that your story matter, and now is the time. And they have beautiful support through Author All Stars to guide you and to encourage you to be that author that you were born to be.
We are looking for Author All-Stars to join our monthly magazine. Just go to authorallstars.com, submit your application, and we'll see you there.